Tourner means to turn around. Another term that many of our dancers have heard is like on turn up. So this pertains to any kind of turn that we are performing. This can be our pirouettes, chaînés can turn. Anything that turns falls under this category. If you are in tap, you can turn with your buffaloes, your maxi fours. There's a whole ton of options there. If you're doing hip hop, doing turns on the floor like V spins on the floor in hip hop, that is a turn. You have a whole ton of options for turns. Now that we've concluded this week, you will have seen that you can bend and stretch, you can glide, you can dart, you can jump, you can turn. The more you think about the fact that anything that you do in dance falls into one of these 7 categories, some way, somehow, the more it starts to also make sense. It kind of streamlines what your possibilities are. I will see you tomorrow as we move on to the 7 families of tap. I will see you then.